I'm Hank McDonald. I'm building official with Washington County, and I'm on behalf of Building Services. I'm very glad to see everybody here and welcome to the Development Forum. I'm very happy to announce that we have finally gotten to a soft launch of our electronic plan review system. Derrick is here today to put on a presentation or a demonstration of just exactly how that system will work. This is a program or a project that has predated me, but I'm very proud to tell you that I've worked very hard to kind of get this thing to where it is today, along with Derrick, who has been on this project since the very beginning. We have been very diligent about making sure that this process would be as smooth as possible and have as few problems as possible, but there's no such thing as a perfect implementation, and this is no exception. So during this soft launch process, we have had dozens and dozens of applications. We are working through some procedural issues. If you have applications that are upcoming and you would like to submit electronically, by all means, communicate with us. Contact Derrick, contact myself, and we will make sure that we provide an avenue during the soft launch for you to submit electronically, which means, but like many of you have asked, is an avenue to work with us without having to walk into our office. Okay? So that's kind of the beauty of the thing. It's a common objective of both of ours. You don't necessarily want to have to come down here. We don't necessarily want you to spend the time to come down here because we have technology that bridges the ability to have to travel, park, and do all that stuff. So I'm very proud to tell you that we are in soft launch. We hope to be in a hard implementation by the first of the year for the residential portion. We are also working on the procedural issues that will get us to a hard implementation for commercial as well. So with that, Derrick, thank you.
Thank you, Hank. So a lot of you guys understand we keep saying ProjectDox or EPR. So what is ProjectDox? ProjectDox is our online, web-based plan review system. ProjectDox is a product of the Evolve software system, and it's a very, very popular product. This product has been implemented over 100 countries and cities around the world. We did a lot of research to figure out which one would be best, and we decided to go with this product. The benefits of using EPR, as Hank said, you don't have to come down and see us. We'd love to see you guys, but this will make your life a lot easier. You won't have to come in and drop off plans. You don't have to make copies of plans. It just makes everyone's job more efficient, and that's the whole point of using this system. Also with ProjectDox, you'll notice that the system is very transparent. It's one of the benefits of the system. If you guys upload a project, and you want to know where it's at, who's seen it, who's looked at it, and get updates on it, you don't have to call us and ask us for any information. It's all there at your fingertips online. So that was one of the goals Hank wanted to bring in, was being very transparent, and I think we achieved it with ProjectDox. Well, before we implemented ProjectDox, we decided that we should meet with other jurisdictions. So we formed a Northwest user group, and we talked with the City of Hillsborough, City of Portland, Tiger, all of our local partners. Because we wanted to make sure we're not building something brand new and completely different from what everyone else is using. So we worked with Hillsborough, we've talked with City of Portland, and we've kind of got a system down where if you upload a plan at City of Hillsborough, it'll be very, very similar to uploading a plan at Washington County. So as Hank just said, our current status is we're in soft launch. Soft launch for residential projects only right now. We have over 75 projects in the queue, working with some of our local developers to work out the kinks and bugs, as he said, and hopefully by the first of the year, the residential will be on live, open to everyone. We have some growing pains with teaching our staff the online review process, and as Hank said and Andy said before, our staffing is challenging right now, but we're working our way through it with hopes that ProjectDox will help. Another one of the benefits of ProjectDox has been proven over all these other jurisdictions that implemented it, that it has increased or reduced timelines, sometimes as high as 30 to 40%. We're not guaranteeing that number, but I'm just saying that's what's been stated. So right now, the commercial process is in our test mode, and we are testing one project has gone through the system, and it was successful, but there's more bugs to work through that one as well. Land use will start with ProjectDox sometime in the near future, and so will engineering. We'll all be using the same software. So when the time comes, this is going to be what you're going to be using. So I'm going to show you our website that was just created a while back. It's has all the information you need to know in order to do a plan review, to upload your plans, excuse me. You can download the plans, the EPR manual, the entire manual, or you can click to whatever specific item you need. I thought that'd just be easier, like if someone forgot their password, how you reload your password. Instead of having to go through a whole manual, you click a link, it takes you there, you know what you're doing. So what I'm going to show you today is, so bear with me, this is a live demonstration of a product in IT, and we were told never to do this. But my boss wanted to show you guys how efficient, how quickly it works. I'm a little bit against the clock, so we're going to kind of run through it kind of quickly, okay? So the first thing I want to talk about is our standard best practices. One of the more important things you need to know about our ProjectDox system right now is Internet Explorer is the only browser that can be used currently. And that's the case with all the 8.0 ProjectDox software. In the very near future, there's going to be an upgrade that will allow you to use multiple browser types. And we hope to have that up and running by the middle of next year. Another little caveat is each file, there are two different file types. There are drawing files and document files. The drawing files have to be uploaded as an individual PDF, meaning each page separately. And the documents files, say for example as your engineering documents, all those can be uploaded at one time. Now that we've made it this far, let's give it a shot and see if we can do it. So this is the web-facing portal that everyone can see when you're downloading your plans. One key caveat is how you set up a building permit is exactly the same way. The only difference is now, instead of coming here and giving us an application, you're emailing it to our building website. Once you email it to our website, our permit tech will look at it, put the information on our permitting software, and forward it over to our electronic plan review system. From that point on, everything is automated. You'll get an email saying that we've accepted your plans, and you can give permission to upload your plans. The key goal we're trying to accomplish is, once you email us a plan on a working day, don't expect to send on a Saturday, within 24 to 48 hours, you should get an invitation from our ProjectDox system that will allow you to upload your plans. So I'm going to give a quick demonstration on how you upload the plans. You will receive a task from the system which will give you permission to upload the plans, because you can't upload plans all the time. That would be kind of a bad idea. So if we're reviewing plans, you come up uploading more things, we don't want that. So at the beginning of the process, you'll get an invitation to upload your plans. Once you've completed that task, is how we identify them, you'll get this e-form that says you uploaded your plans, notify the jurisdiction. And that will cut off your access to uploading the plan. So right now I'm going to show you the steps to upload plans. So in the drawings folder is where you're going to put your drawings. Pretty self-explanatory. We're going to hit upload files. Going to browse the system. Of course, I kind of already have this set up a little bit. So to make our life quick and simple, we will do a shift. Scroll down, click open, and we click upload. And the files have been uploaded in ProjectDox. It's the same process with doing documents. You'll see that the upload doesn't take much time at all, and this will be very efficient for you. In order to maintain time, I want to ask if anyone has any questions. Come talk to me afterwards, and we'll go through everything then, okay?